Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. I show you all those things before. I told you we touch here and we touch here and we touch here, and now the prices came to it, and now it's showing a big rejection. So let's wait in the daily when it's going to finish, if it's going to go upward or no. But till now it's showing a rejection here, but you need to make a close attention at that level here. That level, also we said it before, between 60 and 45, my friend, like that. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. Again, my friend, we came back again to you with another analysis to the Bitcoin chart. So let's see in what we got today. As you see, my friend, that candle here, that red one here, what it did today, it came down, it touching here the lower of that channel. Sorry, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, the price, it came down till here. It touched for us here, and then it's showing a big rejection now. If that daily candle now, which is going now, that one, if it's finished like that, we are going to go till here, till that level. Also, we put it with red, and we put it in the previous videos. By the way, if you don't watch in our previous videos, you can go back and watch them. They're still in the channel, my friend. We told you that level is it here at 22 or 28, my friend. So the market is going to go till here. Then after that level, we are going to see what's going to happen in the future. But till now, also we're still in a downtrend, my friend. A short-term downtrend. In the weekly, yes, we broke. But we need to see that next week candle, how it's going to come. So all that week, we are going to wait it. And we are going to follow it in the lower time frames to analyze more and see what's going to happen. Till now, the market is showing me a bullish signal, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. So as I told you, my friend, now the market will go till here. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. And here, my friend, the fair and great index, it's showing here a little bit of rejection here in that level. So let's see what's going to happen. But as I tell it to you, also here in the fair and great index, we got here a trend line like that. I show you all those things before. I told you we touch here and we touch here and we touch here, and now the prices came to it, and now it's showing a big rejection. So let's wait in the daily when it's going to finish, if it's going to go upward or no. But till now it's showing a rejection here, but you need to make a close attention at that level here. That level, also we said it before, between 60 and 45, my friend, like that. So you need to make a close attention at that level. So when it's going to reach 45, if you're buying something from now, you're going to sell it at that time, my friend. And also we are updating you every day, my friend. So if you are not subscriber, you can subscribe to our channel, my friend, and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos, my friend. And smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. As you see, also we're still small, my friend, and we give you analysis better than bigger channels. Also, we give you very, very highly accurate signals to enter in the Bitcoin, my friend. And another thing here, my friend, in the fair and great index, what you see here, that long term from 2018, as you see it, my friend, what you got here at that zone here, here, and here, and here, it formed for you there a downtrend. So you need to make a close attention at that level. It needs the fair and great index to come and to break it up. By the way, when it started 11 February 2021. That's when it used to be the top here, as you see it, my friend. and it give us here that downtrend draw for you like that. So every time he came back, he touched it, he couldn't break it. So it's a bad moment, my friend. It's need the price to come like here, like how you used to have here one, as you see it, here and here. When the price break it here, it went back and tested again. Then after that, as you see it, my friend. So the same thing here. Also, we're talking here about long term and fundamental, my friend, not technical analysis now. Now let's going back to the chart and to show you the technical analysis, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the chart, my friend, nothing was changed. As I tell it to you, when it came here, that 3 days before, I told you we are going to go till that level, and that we're withdrawing that level. And we told you here down, we got a stronger supply and demand zone because of the previous candle here, because as you see it, how it pushed. Now it came to hit the price again, as you see it. Now it's showing there a rejection, my friend. But for long run, my friend, as you see what you got there, you got that channel, that one. And that channel, if I came a candle and it broke it down, my friend, it's going to be the best scenario, my friend. You're going to see the Bitcoin lower. But you got here that level at 17K. That one is very stronger level. And here we got our long-term trend. So now my view to the Bitcoin now is going to go to here, to that level. Also, we put it there with red. Then after that, it's going to drop till that level here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Remember my word, because that one here is a very long-term trend, my friend. So let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, we tell you yesterday when it enter here in that zone, and that zone, I show you everything about it in the previous videos. If you see it, how the price being rejected from it. Now it enter inside it, my friend. Me, my view personally, is going to go till here, till that level. Me, I put it here with the purple here. Then we're going to see if it's going to break for us the long-term trend, that one, or it's going to fall down and to break for us the lower trend, that one. Also, we're drawing together. If it break it, it's going to go till here, till the oversold area, my friend. Everything is too clear, and now also we give you analysis highly level, not small things. You can find it online everywhere. If you want to learn to analyze like us, down below in the first comment, there is a 85% to our highly recommended technical analysis course. The course is going to teach you how to be a pro technical analysis like us, my friend. Go to it. The course is not expensive, by the way. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go in to show you more, my friend. And our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's very near now to the oversold area here, down in 20. So you need to make a close attention at that one. And I tell you me before, if it fall down, it's going to stay ranging here. Then after that, it will go in upward. So let's see what's going to happen now in the coming days, my friend. Because till now, in the lower time frames, it give us we are going to go upward. But here in the long term, we're still in a downtrend. Only that candle, that daily candle we came today, it's showing a bullishness. But today is Monday, my friend, and today the opening of the market, and the market makers, they always try to drive the market against the bigger trend. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend, for the picture to be more clear. Let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, the market, what it's trying to give you here, he tried to give you here a small cup and handle like that, but he hasn't break the top of it. And it's going to break it, as I tell it to me, it's going to go till here, till that zone here. And as you see down here, the big green volume, it spike, my friend. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, like that. But here, something very, very important, my friend. As you see what the chart try to give you here. So we're talking here about the 4 hours. It tried to give you here like a flag. So that one you need to make a close attention at that, my friend. If it break it in the top, like that, it's going to go upward. If it break it down here, it's going to go down here, my friend. Just show it to you again for the picture to be more clear to you. So, my friend, as I told you, you got here down a channel as you see it, like that and like that. And that channel is like a flag. So you came from the top here and you calculate it like that. When a candle came and break down, you're going to bring the level and you're going to make it like that. So we are going to go till here, till that 19,428. That if it's breaking down, if it's breaking up, you're doing the same calculation, my friend. Then you are going to go till here, till that zone here. Let me show it to you. That zone is at 23,482, my friend. Or you just going to go till here to touch that 200 moving average. So you need to make a close attention at that channel, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. So now let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear. Our indicator, my friend, it's still showing here. Us, we are here at the oversold area, but till now nothing confirmed, my friend. As I tell you, here the market tried to give you here a cup and handle, and it hasn't broken the top of it, so there is no buying yet. And he give you now a channel, and that channel you need to wait it to break up or down. If you enter now, you're aiming to enter to that level, or withdraw it with red, my friend, because I know it is going to come there, then after that it's going to drop again. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, as you see it, that level here, it's showing a big rejection. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, the market tried to give you here like a triangle like that, or a wedge, or name it whatever you want, because the names doesn't matter. So as you see it, my friend, like that. But if you bring it from here, as I showed to you before, it give you just a channel. So let's do it like that. If we do it, bring it only from here to here, it give you just a channel, my friend. So that price, it will go until here to touch the upper of that channel. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days, my friend, or after the daily candle finish it. Because if it finish it like that going upward, we are going to go to that level of us. We draw it before. So let's see our indicator, my friend, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, if you enter from here, yesterday we'll have you ticket profit here. Now, as you see it, it came down, it touched the oversold area, it came here in that zone. Now it's going upward, my friend. It will go till here, till the overbought area. By the way, that indicator, I give it to you. If you want to download it, you just go to how to make $100 a day in cryptocurrency video, and in the description of it, you download it and you put it in your trading view. And me, I give you the source code, my friend. I don't give you just the indicator. So you can download it and you install it in your trading view account. So everything is too clear, my friend. So now I think we are going to go till here. So I'm going to come to update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. See you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now.